Hi guys, it's Julie here from Renovating Made Easy, and today you'll find me in Mandurah. Mandurah is about 70 k's south of the CBD in Perth, and it originally was its own city, but now it seems to have blended in with Perth, with all the suburbs spreading up and down the coast. And there is a train line which takes you directly from Perth down to Mandurah, and it finishes in Mandurah. So it makes it very easy to get to Perth if you want to work, but prices down here in Mandurah are a lot cheaper than similar properties in similar type of locations in Perth. What people love about living in Mandurah is the location and basically the lifestyle. As you can see, there's a lot of water here. I'm at the foreshore at the moment, so there's a lot of water behind me. That's just, the estuary, and it goes out to the ocean somewhere behind there. And there's a lot going on. There's a lot of redevelopment going on at the foreshore and in the Smart Street Mall in the centre of Mandurah. There's heaps of restaurants, pubs, cafes here, so there's plenty of entertainment options. It's a great place for a holiday, but it's also a great place to live. So would it be a good place to flip, yes or no? Well, as always, we want to look at supply versus demand. So if you look at Mandurah, just if you type in Mandurah into your search engines, you'll actually get the suburb of Mandurah, which is pretty much central Mandurah. So you'll see there that supply and demand is fairly even. The amount of houses for sale is fairly similar to what's been selling over the past year. But then when you start to look at different suburbs within Mandurah, you'll see different stories. A bit like if you Googled Perth and looked at Perth as a whole and then started to drill down into different suburbs. So Mandurah's no different. There are suburbs here that have got extremely low supply, houses for sale, compared to the amount that have sold over the past year. So a couple of suburbs that come to mind are Falcon, Halls Head and Silver Sands. I haven't looked at all of the suburbs in Mandurah, so I'm not sure how everything compares, but I have had a look at central Mandurah and can see that there's a little bit more supply compared to the demand for properties in that central area. So it's very, very much a family orientated place. So if you're wanting to flip a house, you want to make sure that you're in a suburb where houses are in short supply, so that your renovated house definitely stands out when buyers are looking. And you would also want to try and appeal to a family, because a lot of families move down here because the cost is a lot cheaper than Perth and the lifestyle is really fantastic. So hope that's helped. I just should also let you know that I'm starting a series of workshops next Saturday. So if you're interested in learning the fundamentals of supply and demand, how to do your numbers, how to choose exactly what to do in a renovation, and how to find out exactly who your target buyer will be, definitely contact me about the upcoming course that's starting next Saturday. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.